Hey y'all, Chef Mr. Monkey here, and today I'm going to teach you how to cook toaster strudels. First, you want to make sure that you grab them out of your freezer. Next, make sure you actually bother to open the box. Make sure to unwrap the toaster strudel. Don't put the plastic in the toaster. Next, make sure you put them in the toaster. Now we must wait. When you hear the timer go off, make sure you take them out of the toaster. When you hear the timer, make sure they pop out of the toaster. Next, make sure you grab a plate. Next, make sure you put the toaster strudels on the plate. Next, make sure you apply the icing. Now you have yourself the perfect toaster strudel. With this meal, it is socially acceptable to have it with chocolate milk, soda, or alcohol. Finally, make sure you don't put the toaster strudels in the sauna.
This is enough.
Or the microwave. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.